happy, super duper, happy Sunday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods, playing some Sunday morning, early, windy disc golf with Ranger Dog. Haven't played disc golf well since last week, my last time to play for the 2017 year. It was super duper cold last week, like it dropped down to 5 degrees. It started out 11, dropped down to 5. Now I'm here at Dolisi Park here in beautiful Oklahoma City, having a nice round of disc golf. So let's get this most groovy Sunday started, shall we? Enjoying a nice round of disc golf with Mr. Ranger Dog. I just figured I'd take an opportunity to chit-chat a little bit about my data issue here. I can't live stream on YouTube. I can't watch live streams on YouTube. Not until I get a 4G connection. I've already used my 4G connection, so that means I'm down to 2G connection. So it's a bummer. Slow. So that's why I haven't been doing any live streaming or been able to watch or comment on other people's live streams. So that's the dealio. All right. Just enjoying that disc golf session with Mr. Ranger Dog. I had to help him cross the creek here, but that's all good. That's what I do for Mr. Ranger. All right. See if I can make a long one. Make a long shot. Close, but no cigar, Mr. Ranger. Alrighty, friends, that was a most excellent round of disc golf with Mr. Ranger Dog. I had a blast. Now I need to run to the store. I need to grab a couple things, and then I got to go to the laundromat, get some things done at the laundromat, and then back to the VW bus just to relax, clean up. I'm gonna do some cleaning around the VW bus, all that groovy jazz. So that's my plans for Sunday. I'll see you beautiful people when I see you. Alrighty, folks, so Mr. Ranger Dog and I are doing our laundry. Actually, I'm doing my laundry here on Route 66 at the Route 66 laundromat. I seen it, I was like, heck it, I'm gonna do my laundry there. Sounds like a good place to do that. Ooh, Mr. Ranger. Alrighty, folks, I got myself a pizza, got my laundry done, got my disc golfing in for the year, my first round of disc golf for the year. Got my shopping in. Now I'm gonna go back to the old VW bus because it's starting to rain. I'm gonna hang out, relax for the rest of the day. Sounds like a groovy plan. Alrighty, folks, I'll see you beautiful people when I get there. Alrighty, friends, back here at the old VW bus. It's been a groovy day. Played some early golf with Mr. Ranger Dog, did some shopping, got my laundry done, got me some pizza. Now it's raining and I'm back here at the bus. I'm gonna edit up the vlog and get it uploaded, because here lately I haven't been able to upload until past 7 o'clock my neck of the woods, and since I'm on 2Gs, it takes forever to get uploaded. But you know, folks, I get to upload a video every day still, so no big wolf on my neck of the woods. So until I see you beautiful people tomorrow, oh, almost forgot, stay tuned. I will be getting a post office box, a P.O. box at that laundromat right on Route 66. I'll be getting one there. So if you find folks have any postcards, stickers y'all want to send me, feel free. And once I get all that information, I'll send it on out to the world for you fine people. Alrighty, be kind to one another, love one another, be totally grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know. You just never know when those moments will change. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.